come with me to my graduation. Let's go! Hi beautiful people! This is me with my blue roses. So bago tayo pumunta sa graduation venue, meron tayo ditong blue roses na na-received. Ayan, may babae na namang napagbigyan. Yes girl, i-flex mo yan, deserve mo yan. And thank you so much sa nagpadala ng ating flower. Fast forward, 1:30 p.m. umalis na ako sa apartment. Medyo kinakabahan ng babae na 'to kasi traffic pala masyado and almost 2 p.m. na diyan, nasa daan pa rin ako. And dumating na rin ako sa venue around 2:05 p.m. Hindi naman tayo na late kasi pagdating ko sa venue, may mga hindi pa nakaupo, may mga guest pa na hindi pa dumarating. Kinuha ko muna dito ang aming food stop and at exactly 3 p.m. nag-start naman ang processional march and my sponsor here is my tito slash kuya and thank you so much sa kanila ni mommy na nag-attend ng graduation ko. And by the way, the venue is here sa Grand Manseng Hotel, Davao City. Just a little background, I'm a graduate of Diploma in Baking and Pastry Arts plus Coffee at Pastry Arts Academy, Philippines. So kung napapanood nyo yung mga previous videos ko where I bake cake, make coffee, breads, so ito yun siya guys, gagraduate na ang babae na to. Yay! Present na nila ang graduates dito and merong 4 courses from Fundamentals of Baking, Fundamentals of Cooking, Diploma in Baking and Pastry Arts plus Coffee, and Certificate of Culinary Arts. And this is me na pinipigilan ang luha dahil para bang kinikwento ng speaker ang life ko. Charot. But anyway, thank you so much, sir, for your inspirational message. After ng inspirational message, nagbigayan na rin ng certificates, pins, and toques. Hi, Chef Remy and Chef Simon. Here I am receiving my certificate, toque, and pin. I am so much happy na nakagraduate ako sa course na to dahil hindi rin biro yung pinagdaanan ko and there are times pa na gusto kong mag-stop na lang dito sa pinasok kong to pero iniisip ko yung tuition and thank you so much by the way sa nag-fund ng tuition fee ko para makapasok sa pastry school. At bago pa tayo maluha dito, congratulations graduates and parents and to Pastry Arts Academy Philippines. Isang pangarap na naman ang natupad, we are now certified pastry chef. After receiving the toques, pins, and certificates, nag-photo ops na, ayan, na group photo, batch photo, and so on and so forth. Sobrang nakakakilig lang kasi dati, tinitignan ko lang tong page ng PAAF and now I am one of their graduates na. So after the picture-picture, kumain na rin kami. Merong free meal na kasali sa binayaran sa graduation fee. This is our dinner and then kumain lang kami dyan, nagkwentuhan. After kain, hinanap ko si Chef Remy and then umuwi na rin kami ng tito ko. And I will be ending this mini vlog here. Thank you so much for watching my graduation mini vlog. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin and nag-congratulate sa akin through online and personal. Thank you so much guys and bye-bye! Thank you for watching!